We are on track this year to surpass 1 billion, that's billion with a B, annual sales this year. And we're continuing to expand our profitability. We've been profitable for a couple of years, but we're going to push our margins even higher. We're just seeing so much consumer demand and commercial demand from healthcare for wearables.
The wearable technology company Oura Ring has news to share. And joining me now with more is the CEO, Tom Hale. Tom, welcome.
Well, thank you, Kristen. It's great to be here this morning.
Yeah, great to have you with us as well. What is Oura announcing?
Well, today's a big day for Oura, and I'm excited to share with everybody that today we're announcing our latest fundraise. We've raised over $900 million, and the new round was led by the existing investor, Fidelity Management and Research Company, Fido, with participation from new investors, Iconic, Whale Rock, and Atreides. That's really a great day for Oura.
How is Oura going to use this funding to expand?
Well, we're raising quite a lot of money to really accelerate our AI and product innovation. I mean, that's always been something that Aura's really pressed on. We always want to be on the leading edge of science and technology. But we're also going to expand our global distribution. Today, we're largely a US business, and we want to expand around the world. So we're going to be using the funds to do that. And then ultimately, as you know, our vision is to improve human health. And so we'll be investing in new health capabilities, both on the Ring, other devices, other formats, and other markets.
This funding round values Oura at $11 billion. Walk me through the growth that you've seen at the company.
It has been bonkers. I think this financing highlights Aura's incredible momentum in the marketplace. We just recently announced that we've sold more than 5.5 million Oura Ring devices, and that's since, just last year, less than the last 12 months. Since we launched the company in 2015, that's literally more than we've done in all the previous years coming up to last year. So we're on track this year to surpass 1 billion, that's billion with a B, annual sales this year. And we're continuing to expand our profitability. We've been profitable for a couple of years, but we're going to push our margins even higher. We're just seeing so much consumer demand and commercial demand from healthcare for wearables. US consumers, they spend over $2 trillion annually on wellness, and 60% of consumers say that health is their number one priority. And Oura meets that with innovation in a beautiful small form factor that just fits into your life. We hope to expand geographically too. Just in the last 12 months, we've expanded into 20 countries. We've moved into Australia, Germany, Ireland, Japan. We're just getting started there. We have 4,000 retail locations around the globe. And we are literally the fastest growing brand on Amazon in the US, where the Oura Ring, by the way, you can use your HSA and FSA funds to purchase. It's a great way to buy a great device.
Okay, good to know. And what new products does Oura offer, and how is technology playing into those?
Well, we just actually introduced about a week ago this little gem. This is Oura Ring 4 ceramic. And so it's made with a zirconia ceramic. It's beautiful. It's lustrous. It's just like, we come in these four lovely colors, like sort of a pink, a white, a dark blue, and a kind of mint green. And this is like our first expansion beyond traditional metallic finishes. And so it gives kind of like a really modern, youthful take on jewelry, but it's still great, and versatile for daily wear. So what we're doing is, with that, lots of people want to have different rings for different purposes. They might have their daily driver to go to the gym. They might have one that they wear with a special outfit. And so now it's possible with Oura just to switch between rings with one tap. In your app, you just say, oh, listen, it's time for me to go out. Boop. And then you can switch over to a new ring. All your data is shifted. It's all managed in the background perfectly seamlessly. We also announced something I really love, which is this little charging case. Take a look at this. It's just like a little compact. It stores your ring. It gives you about another 30 days of charge. And so if you're actually moving between rings, you've got a place both to store it and to charge. You'll never take that ring off because it'll always be powered up. And then the last thing, which we just introduced, is this idea of health panels. This is the first integrated blood testing experience, which offers members a really deep insight into their health. Basically, you go into the app, you can schedule a blood test. There's over 2,000 locations in the US. There's going to be one nearby you. You go to that location, get your blood test. You'll get 50 plus cardiometabolic markers from your blood test, and it feeds back into your app, where we can teach you all about the what that blood marker means. What's going on with your health? Are you improving? Are you getting worse? All that kind of stuff. It's a very powerful kind of step for improving your health and your longevity. So we're super excited about these three things. But by the way, I just want to say we're just getting started.
Just getting started. I like that phrase, Tom. And in regard to future growth, what is ahead on this journey? What is your expectation?
Well, we've been growing the business roughly, 100% for the past 2 years in a row. I'd like to do that again. Let's see if we can do it. I think this growth that we're really enjoying it's just part of a global trend towards proactive health, and we're really glad just to be on the leading edge of it. I think the future of health is going to be personalized. It's going to be preventative. It's going to be data driven. It's going to be powered by AI. And that is exactly where we are going. We want to bring the future of health to everybody so that they can make health a daily practice and give their body a voice. So we're stoked to be here, stoked for this news. We raised a lot of money to go and make a big difference for our members, and we're excited to go do that.
Tom, congratulations to you and your team. We're excited to watch your growth ahead.
Thanks so much, Kristen. Appreciate it. Have a great day.